Searching for Stepn value expectation for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030 and need to know where the GMT cost will go in those years? We will share practically the best GMT cost forecast which truly other crypto specialists especially propose. To discover commonly more about GMT value expectation and its future cost, read this post, in opposition to mainstream thinking. What for the most part is Stepn coin? Stepn is a Web3 way of life application with fun social components and gamification plan, which in a real sense is very critical. Clients outfitted with NFT shoes, walk, run or run outside to acquire GST, which can be utilized to step up and mint new tennis shoes, in spite of mainstream thinking. Player can decide to rent or generally sell their NFT shoes on the in-application commercial center. Clients' GST profit essentially are put away in the in-application wallet, which has an underlying trade capability, or so they fundamentally thought. Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2027, 2030, which explicitly is genuinely huge. We really anticipate Stepn value expectation by established examination of by and large previous verifiable value outline of GMT, with center around high volume exchanges to for the most part foresee future examples, as well as considering different elements in every practical sense, for example, organic market changes or specialized headways in blockchain innovation. On the off chance that you are genuinely intrigued to basically put resources into GMT coin, for the most part perused our value expectation of Stepn, which in every practical sense, is very huge. Stepn, GMT, coin value forecast 2022. Having in a real sense reformed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, GMT coin cost sets out on the journey of leaving a noteworthy impression on this biological system according to our GMT cost expectation. A few figures around Stepn cost in 2022 likewise feature that GMT cost would ride the buyer market by September 2022, even it could explicitly arrive at another high of $3. Stepn appears now to really be hustling to set a record, certifying its position showing solidness. Stepn, GMT, coin value expectation 2023. Most crypto specialists are certain that GMT could ascend in the drawn-out viewpoint, since there is still confidence that it will generally draw on sort of additional consideration from financial backers, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. For 2023, a for the most part normal pace of $2.87 and at least $3.25 are anticipated, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin's by and large most extreme exchanginess team essentially is supposed to be around $3.54 toward the finish of 2023 incredibly. Stepn, GMT, coin value expectation 2024. As per Stepn value forecast 2024, Stepn, GMT, costs will have arrived at a level like their past all-time high, or so they thought. By 2024, we might expect a typical cost of $3.37, which generally is genuinely critical. In the case of everything goes without a hitch, we anticipated the most extreme cost of Stepn could really depend on $3.90 in 2024 in a quite huge manner. Obviously, there generally are chances that the market will for the most part dump after a long bull run, and it is truly typical for a digital currency market, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Stepn, GMT, coin value expectation 2025. According to practically the most recent updates, GMT cost expectation 2025, and new undertaking estimates of the stage, GMT financial backers could expect kind of numerous associations and reconciliations around 2025, or so they thought. In addition, this could basically help the cost of GMT in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $4.50, or so they thought. Stepn, GMT, coin value forecast 2026. Stepn value forecast would essentially begin the year 2026 with a really normal cost of $3.97. Stepn GMT cost would be around $3.50 in 2026. Over the most recent 30 days of the year 2026, the Stepn value forecast would reach to $4.33. Stepn GMT coin value expectation 2027 in an essentially significant manner. In this period, the Stepn cost would ascend from $4.05 to $5.47, which sort of is enormous. Stepn will begin 2027 at $4.15, then especially take off to $5.10 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2027 at $5.57. Stepn GMT coin value expectation 2028, or so they thought. In this period, we can anticipate that Stepn GMT will basically be recorded on trades and financial backers could truly help a huge return through it, which is very critical. Despite the fact that we can't express anything about the way of behaving of tokens in forthcoming years, we can decide through its current condition. Furthermore, it's in every practical sense, current condition most certainly says that it will get monstrous development in its cost. In this way, we can expect its cost will arrive at the worth of $6.94 before the year's over in an unpretentious manner. Stepn GMT coin value expectation 2029. As per Stepn coin value expectation 2029, we have especially a few snippets of data for you. Based on accessible subtleties, we are expecting great development in the cost of the Stepn coin, which certainly is very huge. Very soon you will see an extraordinary pattern in the specialized in the quantity of financial backers will rise when GMT token gets recorded on a few different trades, which basically is genuinely huge. Most presumably during the year, Stepn will raise a ruckus around Town's team, or so they thought. Likewise, we suggest you sort of do actually your very own exploration prior to effective money management. Never in a real sense face a high challenge on most certainly your speculation in light of the fact that the digital currency market is exposed to high gamble. Stepn GMT coin value expectation 2030 in a quite huge manner. Stepn coin by and large has incredible potential assuming that you will basically hold it for the truly long haul, or so they generally thought. According to our Stepn coin cost expectation, Stepn coin can arrive at a greatest value level of $10.41 by 2030. In any case, the really normal cost of Stepn coin can be around $9.90. Also, assuming there is any negative pattern in every way that really matters, least cost of Stepn coin pretty token can especially be down up to $9.48 in the following bull rally. The costs of Stepn coin might flood common